What is going on, all my amazing rebel chefs? It is your boy here. I am back from the grave. Yep, I kicked that sickness in its ass, and I got a new recipe here for you today. This is an amazing guajillo chili and tamarind paste braised beef with some amazing coconut lime rice. And yes, it's got that sizzle sazzle for your dazzle. So, without further ado, all my rebels, stay tuned because this shit hits hard. This is not your average rice bowl. It is not. I'm going to be taking Mexican cuisine and Thai cuisine, fusing them together to get those awesome flavors from the Mexican spices, the guajillo chilies, all the paprika, and then we're going to be taking tamarind paste and Thai chilies, everything from Thai food that we love, putting them together into a awesome guajillo chili and tamarind based braised beef. Yep, shredded up over some awesome coconut rice. So, without further ado, people, let's make this shit. All right, let's get at it. So we're going to start off with guajillo chilies. Into a pot of hot water on the stove, we're going to do 2 guajillo chilies, get them to a boiling point right to where they're nice and soft like this. Set those aside. We'll use them later. Then I've got about 3 to 4 pounds of a chuck roast here, which I'm going to slice, dress it up with 2 to 3 tablespoons of kosher salt, same for some garlic powder, the same for some black pepper as well. And if you know, you know, I'm going to go to some smoked paprika here. So, same for the smoked paprika. And then I only had about a tablespoon left of some coriander. Drop that in as well. All right, so we want to go ahead and get the seasoning on all sides. We're going to give it a nice rub, and then we're going to start searing it. So, let's get to it. Okay, so now we're gonna do our braising liquid, which is gonna be very, very, very simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my guajillo chilies. Ooh, that's hot. Destem them real quick. Pop them in a blender cup here. How am I gonna get this one out? The water is like boiling hot. Don't wanna burn myself, damn it. I don't think of these things. Bam, that in. This is liquid gold. So we're gonna add this in because we need this. So all this beautiful juice, like the juice. Not too much because we need, you know what? We can add the beef broth in a little bit, so that's fine. Just put that in there. All right, white onion, boom, tamarind. We need tamarind. This is Thai, so and Mexican, but specifically, we're looking at the Thai side of things. So, tamarind. Boom. Boom. 2 tablespoons of tamarind. Done. And then, you're gonna need about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of some tomato paste. This is the brand I'm using. Cento. You don't have to use it. I like it, but it's the brand I like. So get that in there. About 2 tablespoons of that. That's about 2 tablespoons. And teaspoon of some fish sauce. Don't go too crazy with the fish sauce. So I'm gonna eyeball it. That by feel, just a little over a teaspoon. Brown sugar. Not a fan of putting sugar in dishes, but I'm going to, so that's what I'm gonna do. I don't really like sugar. I know, it's weird. There we go, tablespoon of that. Then, cannot forget the soy sauce. We need the soy sauce. Where's my soy sauce? Got some here. All right. So we're looking about the same as the tamarind, so about 2 tablespoons of that. But I want to go a little bit more soy sauce heavy, so I'm going to go with 3. Being careful because we just salted all that beef. Don't want to go nuts with the soy sauce. But that's what we're doing here today. Boom. Done. Rinse that off. I just put soy sauce on that. And then, of course, my favorite, chili garlic sauce. We need this 100%. And I go crazy with this, so go with like a tablespoon if you want to use it, but I go nuts with this stuff. I can't get enough of it. I'm gonna overcrowd this. We're gonna have a spill. Maybe I'll just add more later. I don't know. Close it up, blend it up, and then we are good, people. Well, ooh-wee, if that ain't enough sizzle sazzle for your dazzle, I don't know what is.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and drop in about 4 cups of beef broth into our pressure cooker here with the meat, and the same with our mixture from earlier that we blended up with the chilies. Then we're gonna move on to cooking this. It'll basically take like 60 to 90 minutes in the pressure cooker, but we wanna work on our rice. Spray down a pot with some oil, and then drop in about 2.5 cups of jasmine rice, 1 3/4 cups of water, and the same 1 3/4 cups of coconut milk. Bring that to a boil, then cover it and cook. I like to mix a little bit before covering it. Cover it, turn off the heat, and let that cook. Next up, I got some bell peppers here. I'm just gonna saute these in a pan with some oil and get them nice and blackened. Now that our rice is done, I'm gonna go ahead and zest 1 lime, the whole lime, just zest it up right into the rice, and then I'm gonna start seasoning. I'm gonna add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, then 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and then give it a nice mix before we are almost ready to plate. So let's go. So moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and shred up the beef because the beef is all done now. So this is about it. Just gotta shred it up. And then we're gonna go drop it back into that brothy mixture that it cooked in from earlier to keep it nice and juicy. And we're ready to plate, people. All right, plating's gonna be very straightforward. So we're gonna start off with a nice bed of our nice coconut lime rice. And then we're gonna move on to some pickled onions. These are pickled red onions. I've covered these quite a bit on my channel. And then I'm gonna add in some seared corn. I thought this would be a nice touch last minute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and drop in our braised beef. And then we're gonna add in some nice sliced jalapeños and then our peppers. And there we are. This dish was so easy, so damn good, and it's healthy too.
All right, and here we are. We are all done with this bowl. Honestly, this smells so damn good, and I'm so excited for this coconut rice. But yeah, gotta try this shit, right? Get some of the rice and some of the beef. There we are. Wow. I'm gonna take another bite. Holy shit. This is awesome. This is insane. You have probably never had anything like this before. So, in my opinion, I would kindly like to ask you to leave a comment down below if you would make this recipe, if you're interested in the recipe, and what other recipes you would like me to make. Because honestly, guys, I'm gonna eat this. And yeah, I'm out. Cheers.